Hello guys, this is my part 6 about Appium mobile automation testing. This video I will be show you how to download Appium and install Appium in your machine. So let's do it. Let's go to my document which I already created for you guys. How to install Appium server. So go to the Appium IO. So the link will be there provided in the comment section on the YouTube. Please follow the instruction and follow the video and do it. So now we are in the Appium download Appium section. Over here lots of way you can do that, so I'm going to follow the only this one, download Appium, and take the Appium 1.6.2 DMG, click it. It's downloading. So it's download here, just double click. It's in download folder. You can double click from here. Also you can go in download folder, DMG file will be there. So Appium is here, just drag and drop to the here. I mean, what's happening? Do I have already Appium inside? I don't have it, so I'm not sure why is it showing that. Okay, now it's okay. So dragging it. So it's preparing to copy in application. I just moving this application to inside this Appium inside the application. So easily you can find out in your application directory whatever application you download it. So it's done. If you go application inside, you will find out Appium is there. So I'm going to close it here and close there and go to the application, which is the over here. Launch. Get out. Appium is here. Double click. When you double click, will be pop up here. It will be take few second time is opening. If you want to keep this one here, just right click and option, keep in dock, and is opening. So open. So Appium is open and download and install done properly. As the host is provided is 000 is your local host, and 4723 is the port number. You can customize your host if you want. I'm not customizing the local host. Just I'm going to open the server. Let's see how it look like. It's starting, and this says the git command record the command line developer tool. Would you like to install the tool now? Say install or agree. Guys, actually we don't need now this one. It's going to take time. I'm going to stop it. So now just stop it. You don't need this kind of stuff right now. So you just see the over here, welcome to Appium, the version number, and Appium REST, which is the host and port. So yes guys, Appium now ready. Our environment is ready for testing, for mobile testing. My next video will be show how to create a Java code and open some mobile simulator device with Appium. So please keep tuning my video in future IT Vision and GitHub account, which is the future IT Vision GitHub account. You can find out all details over there. So that's it for today.